Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find old Discord messages on your Discord, right? Whether it's a DM, whether it's a server, you can just find it. So for example, let's take here one of the DMs. I will take you to, let's say I'm here, right? And I want to go here. You can just go and click on this profile icon here. And by the way, make sure that you have to turn off the streamer mode. That would be really easy for you guys. And once you does this, for example, let's say that I just wanted this account, and once I click on here, on the top right there's a search bar, so I can just find all the messages from here, right? So if I just go and look for the user, now it will show me all the messages that this person have made here. I can just go to the old section and I can find here old, right? Let me just make it easy for you guys. Okay, so this is how you can do it, and you have to go to old and you will able to find all the old messages in the Discord. Right, same goes for any of these servers. I will just go to the server here and I want to go to the discussion section, and I want to find a particularly old message, right, by this person. So I will just go here and from user and I will just write the username, right? So here, as you can see here, and it will just give me all the old as well as new and relevant messages, everything. Now I can just go to old here, click on it, and once I click on it, on the here on the middle part, it will take me to exactly on that date, right? And if I want to go to the more old, I can just go to the next and I can keep going there, right? So this is how you can get it. It's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.